who it is.
What's good, guys?
It's Dan Montano.
It's me.
He's back.
Yeah, ready for some Trojan TV?
Ready?
I'm ready. Let's go.
Excuse me, are you the new officer?
I am.
What's your name?
Officer Marsilli.
How do you feel about Weston so far?
Absolutely love it, yeah.
Have you gotten the lunch yet? Gotten a hoagie?
Oh, no, I haven't yet.
You should. Lola will hook you up at the sandwich bar.
Kind of feeling the quesadilla thing at the moment.
You know, I agree. Miss Sweezy, you are now our librarian. How do you feel?
Really special.
Are you excited to pep?
To pep?
Yeah.
What is pepping?
I don't know. It's a pep rally.
Pep? Yeah. Excitement?
Yes.
Mr. Sadler's there.
Me too.
Yes, he's always a peppy guy.
Yeah, you just see his new phone case?
I did, and I just can't believe his obsession with Disney keeps going and going.
I mean, the lore continues.
He's really leaning in on it this year, I could tell.
Yeah.
Mr. Giannetti, how are we feeling about this pep rally right now? You pumped?
I'm very hyped.
Very hyped. Scale of 1 to 10, how hyped are you?
12.
12?
Yeah.
Like shoulder bump hype?
Like what?
Shoulder bump hype, like 3, 2, 1.
Okay.
We're hyped.
What? Are you guys pumped? It's on. It's not on. Miss Cole, how was your summer?
Oh, it was great.
I love the hat, I must say.
Thank you.
Where'd you get it?
On Block Island.
That's so fun. Yeah, did you hit the waves?
Yeah, I love the water.
Yeah, is it your element?
Is it what?
Your element.
Yes. 8.5.
And we're gonna do some fun things today. Today we're gonna start a pep rally down to the
Kevin Morvillo. Who's your favorite senior on the football team?
It's gotta be you, man. Gotta be you.
Gotta be you. Who am I?
David Monduhano.
Declan Feeney. How are we feeling? Post-game interview. How do you feel about losing right now?
That was a tough time.
Tough loss? Are we going to have enough of those tough loss in football?
No.
I'd say that's related. I say we're going to win some football games. That's what I say.
I think that's a good answer right there. How about a shoulder bump? 3, 2, 1.
Yeah, this is going to be difficult.
Oh, no. How do you feel? I mean, you just...
I think I tore a calf muscle.
Oh, God. Mr. Phillip, how was your summer?
Amazing.
Are you feeling pepped?
I'm totally hyped.
What was your summer hype song, actually?
Oh, gosh.
I like that one. Mr. Sadler, are you feeling pepped?
Am I feeling what?
Pepped.
Packed?
Pepped.
I know I feel packed.
Oh, like positively achieving community together?
Yeah.
What's your vibe check on these new teachers? What do you think of them?
Jury's out.
Jury's out?
That's right.
No? It's a no-go?
We'll see.
We'll see.
I don't follow anyone on Instagram unless they have Disney pictures.
Yeah, okay. So, are you threatened by these new math teachers?
Can I get in this?
No. What do you want to say? Yeah, for sure. What do you think of these new teachers?
I like them. What do you think about them?
Your responses are subpar.
You're
Can you use some adjectives or something?
There's some good teachers. I have one of them. Mr. Brennan seems like a nice guy.
Nice guy?
Nice guy. Very nice guy.
Are you feeling united with everybody during this lap?
You know, I really am. I feel really united with Mr. Sadler here, to be honest.
Are you excited to make a W?
He's fake tying his shoe.
Amelia, what would you rate my drip on a scale of 1 to 10?
I would rate it an 11.
Good answer.
What's going on?
What do you mean what's going on?
We're doing my job here.
What do you mean we're doing your job?
We're doing our job here.
What's your job?
Trojan TV.
Yeah, what do you do for it?
We own it now.
You do? What do you do, though? Yeah, that makes sense. Look who it is. I mean, it's Avery Kathleen Kreitler. You feeling united right now?
I'm feeling unified. Positivity only. Hey guys, do you feel unified? Yeah.
For sure.
Okay, great. The Weston spirit is just flowing through my veins right now.
I'm feeling very united with my fellow peers.
What's the best type of pasta?
Probably bolognese.
Why?
It's just a good mix of pasta with meat sauce.
Yeah, what's the oil to sauce ratio for pasta?
I don't really use too much oil. I kind of just put sauce and meat on it.
Get lost in the sauce?
Of course, always.
Miss Canetta.
I love a good unity lap.
Oh yeah, how do you feel about now that the principal has the same last name as you?
You know, she's got to do what she's got to do, but just remember,
Over the roots.
it's great. Looking forward to a lot of confusion at the start of the year, but that's okay.
Miss Cariciolo, how you feeling?
Feeling pretty good today. How you guys doing?
Good, good, good. How was your summer?
My summer was awesome. How about you?
Good, good, good. What's this week's highlight for you, starting the school year?
Probably a barbecue or something like that. I got some golf going and I might play pickleball.
Oh my gosh, are you dirty at pickleball? Do you like...
Down there. Hopefully I don't get any injuries.
You'll never.
All right, sounds good.
Sounds good. Bro Mazzulo, are you feeling united right now?
Yes.
What's this week's highlight for you, honestly?
The walk, probably.
This walk right now?
Yeah.
Like, what's better than this?
Week was super slow, and then I was like, oh, Unity walk.
Yeah, is your blood all blue and gold?
Yeah.
All of it?
99.
99%?
Yeah.
Trojan at heart?
Yeah.
You get that tattooed?
Trojan always a Tron. Yeah, I'm gonna get a massive tattoo on my forehead later, and my forehead.
On your
my chest.
forehead? That's not your
Yeah.
forehead,
Both.
Yeah, for sure. All right, cool. Look where we're going. These people have not experienced my wrath yet. Dear, what's the highlight from this week?
I don't really know. Maybe.
This lap?
Yeah.
Do you find us seniors intimidating?
Oh, not really low key.
Yeah, for sure. Yeah, I wouldn't see that.